Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to upload longer reels on Instagram. The process is really easy and simple. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed Instagram on your phone and you have already logged into your account. Let's get to the point. So first of all, open Instagram on your phone. This is the homepage of Instagram. From the homepage, you'll have to go to your profile. So for that, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now to create a reel, you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. It is right beside the three horizontal lines, so go ahead and tap on it. Now go to reel. Now on this page at the left corner, you can see this option length. Tap on it and you can see 4 different options for video length. You can create 15, 30, 60 or even 90 seconds long reel. Choose whichever option's the best for you. I'll just choose 90 seconds. Now you can start creating your reel. You can even upload it from your gallery if you want to. So create the reel and upload it. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.